As India's Omicron cases have jumped to 360 with Maharashtra at 88 cases and Delhi at 67, the Uttar Pradesh government has reimposed the night curfew from the night of December 25th. The curfew will be imposed from 11 pm to 5 am. Now the poll-bound UP has become the second state after Madhya Pradesh to impose nighttime restrictions. After holding a high-level meeting, UP CM Yogi Adityanath instructed officials to limit the number of people attending events like marriages to 200 and social gatherings have to follow COVID-19 guidelines and the organizers have to inform the local authorities about the same. UP CM also asked the officials to ensure all traders follow the no masks, no goods policy and made it mandatory for everyone to wear masks on the streets or in the markets. According to UP CM, the situation in the state is under control as of now, but he has directed the officials to ensure that people coming to UP from other states or abroad are traced and tested for coronavirus and maintain extra care on airports, buses and railway stations. The centre has already warned all states and UTs that the Omicron variant is 3 times more infectious than the Delta strain, which led scary second wave this year. Notably, while Allahabad High Court had appealed to ban all election rallies and postponed elections, stating the lives are more important than the state, the Election Commission of India is holding a meeting with the Health Ministry on December 27 to discuss the current COVID-19 situation and the impact of the Omicron variant in the states. Sources inform the Assembly elections 2022 will also be discussed during the meeting.